Start.
Good morning. I'm Shweta from Jetking Allahabad. I'm using this JETS software since last 10 months, since April 2010. And I found it very interesting. As per my students, what they say about this is, earlier when they were learning from the English Edge, that was only a courseware. They were not able to, mesmerize for a long time. But now they are watching it as well as listening it too. And they are able to retain it for a long time. That's why it's useful for them too. And as a part of JETS software, we are getting a CBT also. That means they are able to practice what they are learning. So it's a very beneficial software for them also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Should I?
Yeah.
Hi friends, I'm Meenakshi Sharma and I'm a PT trainer of Jetking Rohini. I have been using this software for last 2 months. This software is a blended version of ILT as well as CBT, and the software is a best and creative format of teaching and learning English. This is useful for my students as well as for a trainer. My student will get to know easily how to speak English, how to pronounce the words, and how to represent themselves in front of other people. Even the PD sessions are also in this software. So I like this software a lot, and it would help in communication as well as in presentation. So I like this software.
Good evening, everybody. This is I am Alka Bhatnagar from Vikaspuri Center. It has been a very quite small journey for me for Jetking, because I had joined Jetking just last 1.5 months only. I have been a part of Jetking, but when I started conducting the classes through the software which is known as JetEdge, I was really proud of it. I was completely amazed, because it's a right amalgamation of the CBT the children are also practicing, because earlier where the sessions used to be taken through only the courseware books or through the workbooks and all, the home assignments used to be given to them. Nothing was done in the class, no activities, nothing. It was the class never used to be held in such an interesting manner, because hardly any role plays, hardly any activities used to be done. But through this software, every activity, the proper interaction with the trainer to the trainee is possible. They are doing the work assignments right in the class, where the trainer is seeing them actually what they're actually performing. So basically it is helping the trainer also. The trainer is coming to know whether the student has learned or gained something from the session that she has just recently taken, because the class assignment or the CBT session is done right in front of her itself. So I think it is the most effective way of learning, and it is also helping the placement session also, because the main purpose of the course is to get the job. And these days, as you are all aware of, the communication skills and your whole personality, how you lead and how you carry on, is very vital and very important. So to enhance those skills, this software has really helped, because after all, they had started learning how to frame sentences, how to behave, and how to conduct themselves in the interview also. So that is helping them in the placement sessions also.